Hi everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to set up Streamlabs OBS for live streaming. Before we start, make sure you've already downloaded and installed the Streamlabs OBS app and that you have a Streamlabs account ready. Now open Streamlabs OBS. You should be greeted with a welcome screen. On the left side, click on the option for live streaming, since that's what we'll be setting up. Then click the Continue button. On the next page, you'll be asked to log in on your Streamlabs account. Simply look for the login button under the Create a Streamlabs ID and click on that. It will lead us to the login screen and will show us options on how to log in. I will log in with Twitch. Click on your preferred setup. Once you do that, your browser will open and you will arrive on this screen. Just scroll down a bit until you see the purple Authorize button, then click on it. You should now see a You're All Set window. Then let's go back to our Streamlabs desktop. Back on our Streamlabs application, we are given 3 options to import. We can import from OBS, from Twitch Studio, or Start Fresh. For this tutorial, we'll click on Start Fresh. We'll now move into setting up our mic or webcam. Choose the webcam, visual preset, and microphone that you want to use. I'm going to keep all the settings here, and once you're done, click on Continue. Then, Streamlabs will ask us to choose our plan. For now, we'll choose Free. We'll now arrive on the main Streamlabs OBS screen. Yours may look different as I have previous options or settings on Streamlabs before. With that, you have now set up your Streamlabs OBS for streaming.